Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I am so impressed with the long-lasting scent of this Victoria's Secret Angel Gold Fragrance Lotion. It's really so decadent and such a luxurious scent, and I love how it moisturizes. It's a great size, it's 8.4 ounces, and it would work really well to layer with a perfume. And I love the scent because it's really beautiful, it's sophisticated, and it has this nice balance of florals like gardenia and musk. And I get so many compliments when I use it. And I think it would also make a great gift because it's such a beautiful scent. And I just feel so put together when I can have a scent that's beautiful but not super overwhelming. I love that this Victoria's Secret Angel Gold Fragrance Lotion combines a beautiful and sophisticated scent along with moisturization, and I love how long lasting it is, and that's my point of view.